Hello friends, this is SriRam and you are watching my channel. So first of all, I would like to welcome you with this topic called as human health and diseases. So today we will be discussing certain important diseases of human beings. Okay, so we'll start today's topic with the bacterial diseases. The first bacterial disease, it's written on the board, that's typhoid. Okay, so typhoid is also called as enteric fever. The pathogen for the typhoid is Salmonella typhi. It's a bacteria which is found in contaminated food and water. The person who is infected generally transfers this disease because of poor hygiene. That means जो इंसान cleanliness maintain नहीं करता है after going to what you call as the morning duty or what you call as after going to washrooms, if you do not wash your hands properly, you can transfer the bacteria which is present in the fecal matter of the infected person. Then incubation period. Incubation period is the time period for which the bacterium lives inside your body without showing any symptoms. Okay. So the incubation period is approximately 1 to 3 weeks. After that, it starts showing the symptoms. The mode of transmission for this disease. Okay, if you see on the board, the mode of transmission of this disease is contaminated food and water with the fecal matter. The infected person, okay, the infected person who does not maintain the hygiene, that means जो इंसान स्वच्छ भारत अभियान नहीं फॉलो करता है, जहाँ सोच वहाँ शौचालय की बहुत ज़रूरत है, and if the person does not generally maintain the hygiene, the fecal matter which may be present on his hand can be transferred through the what you call as contamination of food and water, the bacteria present in the fecal matter of the infected person, because they are intestinal parasite. If you talk about the site of infection, small intestine is the region where these bacteria get what you call associated. They cause infections. In chronic condition, they completely damage the soft mucosa layer, causing hemorrhagic diarrhea or diarrhea with what you call as presence of blood in the feces. Then if you talk about the symptoms, there are several symptoms. The most important symptom is inflammation of colon, liver and spleen. Along with that, there is pea soup diarrhea. Very watery fluid is produced by the bacteria, from which is actually a fluid produced in the intestine, and a malabsorption of digested nutrient takes place. Completely water-like diarrhea takes place, and it's called as pea soup diarrhea because the coloration also is very much different in what you call as the diarrhea. Then constant fever. The fever generally does not change. The constant fever is a characteristic feature of what you call as typhoid fever. Then rose spots, rose colored reddish raised spots are seen on the body, inside the oral cavity, inside the digestive system. They are also a basic symptom to say or to diagnose a person with typhoid fever. Then if you talk about diagnosis, generally a serological test is been done for diagnosis of typhoid. The name of the test is Weidel test. With the help of Weidel test, the person can be detected whether the person is infected from Salmonella typhi or not. Okay, so Salmonella typhi is a bacteria which infects in typhoid. So there was an important lady, if you talk about some people act as carriers of the disease. Carrier of the disease in the sense, people who do not show any symptoms of the disease, but they transfer the disease to the other uninfected or normal individuals. Such an example was in the history called as Mary Mellon. Mary Mellon was nicknamed as Typhoid Mary later because she was a cook by profession and she used to give food to most of the people, and those people who used to have food prepared by her, they used to get the typhoid infections. Because of poor hygiene maintained by the lady, she transferred the bacteria called Salmonella typhi through food as a medium for transmission and spread it to many people. So many people act as carriers. That means they do not show any symptoms of the infection, but those organisms are present in their body, they remain in their body without affecting them. They are called as reservoirs, or we can call them as the silent hosts. Silent host is another word used for them. Then if we talk about preventive measures, the first and most preventive measure in our country is taking up of vaccines. Okay, so TAB vaccine. TAB vaccine can be provided in the early ages of the young one. That is, once an infant is born, generally they are administered with different levels of vaccination. In the vaccination program, TAB vaccine is functional for up to 3 years. So TAB vaccine provides immunity against typhoid for almost 3 years. So better than this, there are natural methods of prevention of this disease. Follow Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, maintain cleanliness around yourself, wash your hands whenever you go to washroom, keep cleanliness in the washrooms, okay. Maintenance of hygienic environment, maintenance of hygienical conditions in the what you call as house. Housekeeping should be very much clean. Cleaning of your body, okay, especially whenever you go to washroom, wash your hands thoroughly, okay. And whenever you use public toilets, avoid usage of public toilets because they are not maintaining very optimum conditions. The things which look clean are not always clean, okay. These are some of the preventive measures. And generally, you can also avoid food or water from outside which is from unknown source or which may be contaminated. Unhygienic preparation of food, unhygienic water present in the what you call as market area or whatever you say, okay. जब भी आप बाहर खाना खाते हो, किसी स्टॉल पर खाना खाते हो, किसी दुकान में खाना खाते हो, किसी होटल में खाना खाते हो, you must check the hygienic conditions in those areas before you take up the food. So for today we'll stop up with this particular explanation of this particular disease. For further explanation of bacterial and viral diseases, I will come up with the next video. For now, thank you. Share this video with the students as much as possible. Whoever requires it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.